Kundaim Industrial Estate in basically power जो problem असा तो it is very severe. कित्याक there are frequent power failures which hamper the production. And the power failures are to the extent of at least 10 to 15 times per day. And this has been there almost for last 2 months, apart from monsoons. And if there is no rain, still the power failures are continuing. So we have been suffering a lot, and we are trying to find out some solutions for this.
How many factories are suffering because of this number?
See, there are 192 active factories in Kundaim Industrial Estate, big and small. Yeah. So apart from some dedicated substations which bigger industries have, apart from that, at least 150 industries are suffering.
Kundaim Industrial Estate is that there is a power issue. Last about 10 days, there is a constant interruption daily, at least 10 to 12 times. So we have informed electricity department, and we understand that there are 2 underground cables from Ponda to Kundaim Industrial Estate and 2 lines of overhead. So out of 2 underground cable, one is damaged, and the damage is right in the center of the road, it seems. And because of the monsoon non-digging of the road, they had not done the work. So they have said that by next week and they will be restoring the power. Presently, because it is coming from the overhead line, there is a lot of interruption.